Hey guys, I'm Sarah and welcome to this tutorial guide on how to use your digital planner for GoodNotes 5. If you're new to my channel, I make digital planning videos, tips, and plan with me. So if you like these videos and my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Firstly, let's talk about how to import the planner into GoodNotes 5. You can either email the file to yourself or use cloud services like Dropbox or Google Drive. Once you have the file, simply open it in GoodNotes 5 and it's ready to use. Let's start with the yearly page. This page gives you an overview of the entire year, with 12 months displayed on one page. You can use this page to mark important dates such as birthdays, holidays, or any other events that you need to keep track of. Moving on to the monthly pages, it is prepared like this every month. This is where you can plan your monthly goals, to-dos, and events. You can color-code your events and notes to help you stay organized. The weekly pages are laid out in a vertical format, with each week spanning across 2 pages. You have space to plan out your week's schedule, add notes, and set reminders. Now, let's take a look at the daily pages. These pages allow you to plan your day hour by hour, making it easier to manage your time effectively. You can add tasks and events and check them off as you complete them. There is also space for notes at the bottom of the page. Lastly, we have the calendar page. This page displays the entire year in a calendar format, making it easy to navigate to any specific date. You can also use this page to add events and reminders for the year ahead. In addition to these pages, you'll find extra pages for notes, a contacts page, and a finance tracker. You can also duplicate pages or add your own pages to the planner to suit your needs. Overall, this digital planner is a great way to keep track of your schedule and stay organized. With its customizable features, you can make it your own and tailor it to your specific needs. I hope this tutorial guide has been helpful in showing you how to use your digital planner for GoodNotes 5. Thanks for watching and happy planning. See you in the next video. You can download this digital planner for free from the description link.